And according to the knowledge that we have to indicate the type of movement that an object may have, it can be depending on the force, the speed, the weight, the mass, and the velocity, the change of position. Also, to describe the way in which we consider the movements of an object can be calculated according to its trajectory. Yes, it can. You only have to have the right equation most of the time to calculate it to respect to its trajectory, and the motion to know the constant velocity, motion that does not change in speed or direction. We are also using the Newton's second and first law that suggests that when a force is applied to an object, the object should experience acceleration. If the acceleration is zero, the object shouldn't have an external force applied to it. This can be shown in different and several equations. If an object moving of a constant velocity, the graph of a distance and the time that shows the same change in position over in the intervals that it has of it, and that will depend on which equation that you're using and what are you wanting to get out of.
And for the fourth problem, this is example. Here we can see that this starts here, so it's the initial velocity, and it starts increasing positively. Then it reaches the maximum height, which is in the x and the y 0. Then it starts decreasing or increasing negatively until it gets to the initial position, and it starts falling down even more. In the third question, we are asked to say the questions that help us to solve the motion problems. And here they are, where the J is the position, the VO is the initial velocity, the VF is the final velocity, the T is the time, and the G is the gravity.